This is the vlogs with my boy. Tell them your name. Andrew. Andrew's a nice boy. He doesn't speak much. We're going to Bossman's shop. How much money do you want? You drunk. This guy was on a TV show. How much? Let's see your bank. Let's see your bank. Let's see your bank. You're stacking. You got more. You got more than me.
Keys, he said. Yes, that's my Snapchat and my Bieber.
Oh my god, it's that close to your face.
Listen. No, I don't know what that means though.
Don't worry. Alright, big news, boy. Got a free help until like 10 o'clock. So, as being a man, I invited a girl. Yeah, she's gonna come do some activities. So yeah. Look at the state of the room. There's an orange in there. Yeah. Ah, my days. This is gonna be a long day. I gotta clean this stuff up quick. Alright, clean the room, sort of. Look around, look around. Ooh. Nice, nice. It's kinda, I could do better. Intimidating. Ooh. Ooh. Netflix. Oh my gosh. Naughty, naughty. And then bam. Look, I've run out of time. She's on her way. Just have to cover that up. Should be alright. When the schlong's good, it doesn't matter what your room looks like. So yeah, let's do this. I'll update you in a bit. Alright, I'm just coming back from dropping the girl off, as the man promised. I had to do the deed. So yeah, going back home now.
Got the sniffles. No. Right, I never filmed yesterday. I should have, you know, but I was sick all day. So yeah, stayed at home. Today I'm staying at home. You know, just recovering. See from the hat. Covering. Yeah. So yeah, there's nothing really to film. Tomorrow I'll be going back to college. So yeah, that's when it gets entertaining. So yeah, just gonna stay at home all day, do some work, watch Netflix, play some games. Yeah, and then, you know, I got to finish work because it was due today. Luckily I stayed at home. What are you doing? Huh? What is it? What are you looking for? Here's my kit.
It's that time again. It's that time again. What are you doing? What are you doing? He's always happy to see them. He's always happy. You're always happy, bro. Pure love, man. Spot it. Pure love. Love it, man. Do you even... My G.
What says on the TV? What's your mate kind of
That is some love right there. Did you just trick me?
Oh no, you're not putting that up on YouTube, you.
Give daddy a break.
What did he give you? Say something to the fan club.
Show my G love, man.
Show my G love.
Show some love on the YouTube videos, man.
That's it. Bang it. Are you gonna? Did you subscribe?
Yeah, man.
Are you gonna share it on Facebook?
Yeah, man.
Share it everywhere.
Yeah, send it to all my fans.
That's it. I love you.
Me too, man. I love you.
What should I say? This to all the fans.
Yeah.
Alpha notes on the floor.
Okay.
Like, everyone's sitting on the floor. On the look at that, everyone's sitting on their chairs. Yeah, after those, sitting on the floor, this is their shop. Burger and chips, man. Billet burger and chips. You're hearing it from Mossman. Is it dank? I'll take 10. 10. Respect, bro. Respect.
Alright, what am I gonna say? I've been at home all day because I've got an audition coming up. Yes, an audition. Audition for a drama school. So yeah, I've got to sing, which I can't. And I'm learning. You know, have you seen Nightmare Before Christmas? That's one of those songs. What's this? What's this? Okay, I forgot. What's this? Oh, that's it. What's this? What's this? There's colours everywhere. What's this? There's white things in the air. That's it. That's the one. That is the one. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, and I gotta learn a monologue as well on top of that, which I haven't even chosen one. And yeah, that's gonna be on 5th of February, so like 2 weeks. So yeah, I think that should be enough time. I do wanna, you know, shed a tear, make it proper emotional. So yeah, hopefully it all goes well. So yeah, Saturday, that's what I've been doing all day. I need to study. I mean, not study. Well, I do need to study, but I need to revise the lines, innit? I've never studied in my life, but you know, lines, I'm good at that. I'm an actor, that's what I do. Yeah, aspiring actor. Your boy here. So yeah, that's it. Peace out.